Alright guys, let's dive right into Dash. Now this cryptocurrency has been doing really good comparing to other cryptocurrencies out there today, but I'm going to break down my thoughts about what I think about Dash, what I'm going to be doing to get into a trade with it, and other key details. Let's begin. So first off guys, Dash is ranked number 65, 238,000 people's watch list with the market cap about $546 million. What is Dash? Dash is an open source blockchain cryptocurrency focused on offering fast, cheap global payments network that is decentralized in nature. So if you guys want to check out their website, here you go. If you guys want a cryptocurrency that's really fast, that has very cheap fees, please check out this cryptocurrency. Now let's dive right into their charts, guys. So I've talked about this in previous videos multiple times, and this cryptocurrency has hit my zone between the 30 and this 45 area, and you can see that it's currently bouncing. Now I am on the weekly and I have been watching this quite constantly, but making an updated video for the basically my audience. Now we are currently at $49.19, and I believe that this cryptocurrency is going to be heading back into the 60s, 8s. So for me and my plan, I'm looking at buying at the current market price, even now, and holding that trade up to here, up to about the 60s or 70s. If I see some deflection off, just move it to hit my target profit. But when I think this is going to be one of the biggest movers in cryptocurrencies that are out there. This is going to be one of the bigger movers when it comes to cryptocurrency, and I think it's going to easily hit this top of $55 and break through. And if it doesn't, guys, I'll make an updated video, but my first target profit is going to be about $70, and then if it deflects, I might lock in my trade, and then if it heads up higher, that's why I'm going to be basically taking this for a longer term trade. Hopefully it does what it needs to do. If it doesn't, once again, I'll update you guys. But let's get into some of the key details. Well, let's get to the community page. Let's see what other people have to say about this cryptocurrency. Something that's very nice to read. This guy, Wisdom Dash. If you don't have enough money to hold Bitcoin or Ethereum, don't worry. Find RBIF, a potential project. It will exploit it. It's self-promotion of the cryptocurrency. Dash will not be regulated because it's a fork of Bitcoin. Dash has a great future. I sincerely believe in this coin and vote with my money in its favor. If you don't believe in me, learn the fundamentals before it's too late, and there's a great buying area. By the way, I found 770 for one Dash, the sequential average. I'm still full enthusiasm. I save and use. So we got another big bullish person on crypto on Dash. My bad. Dash holders can participate in Dash masternodes and stake Cube with minimum of 0.25 Dash a day. Here's the link. I don't know about that. Maybe but that's whatever. Let's get into their Twitter page, guys, with 420,000 followers. Check them out for their relevant news and updates. But besides that, check out my website, andrejmcclinton.com. I have MQL programming on there, some trading education, some indicators and charts, and some economy stuff that definitely needs to be updated, but still working on that, guys. But if you guys want to get in contact with me, try me out at my Telegram, and also for trading robots and trading services, hit me up on Fiverr. But if you guys like this video, guys, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video.